Same shit, different day in a new place. Luton killing and staying on the studio decks. Keeping my flow on the go, I'm trying to float. Or else it's kinda cold, hoodie and a thick coat. Spend 10 squids on Americano from Tesco. Writing down the shopping list in my memo. Or taking a walk in the park and the mood is kinda mellow. Came all alone to cut it from hits, bro. Dancing in the rain, it ain't my thing. Putting my pain aside for a while, I rewrite everything. Life is teaching me lessons, what the million. Shit cool, cause nobody gives a f, it's true. Tryna be delicious like a patty inside a bun. Taking every day that I get a lift, it's a new one. Mine is sad, though I don't have a button to press. Sincerely showing my middle finger to stress. Keep the flow, don't lose it. That's the flow, go get it. Keep the flow, don't lose it. That's the flow, go get it. Keep the flow, don't lose it. Yeah, I forgot to turn on this one. Yeah, okay, let's go. I think I cannot get the a signal for hi-hats from hi-hats. Yeah, I did it on film.
My name is Karma Sherab. I'm from Bhutan and I'm also known as Da Tako. That's my stage name. I'm 23 years old and turning 24 soon, so yeah. I started when I was 17 years old, deciding that I want to become a rapper. But before that, I was just singing song and just writing some. But then after I got to college, so I met Luton, and so he was there to guide me, and he was the one who actually, gave me the platform to showcase my rapping skills, I guess. Just a minute. Okay, he's Eminem. He's Eminem, man. Eminem was my first rapper. Ever that he's the first rapper that I really liked the most. Then I started to like Kendrick Lamar. Then I started to listen to J. Cole. Then I was listening to NF. So they are like my top 5. Yeah. And that's me. I'm the inspiration. I feel very blessed actually to be here. To study here, because opportunities and all the accessibilities you have in this university is far beyond what I imagined. Yeah, I never thought that I'd be, in front of the mixing decks and doing all the things that, professionals do. And it's about getting exposure, and of course you make new friends, So I never met a foreigner friend before, so I don't have any friends. But you see now, it's like a sudden shift in my life as well.
In Indonesia,
yeah. Because you are not allowed to even show alcohol at home. If you do, then everything should be blurred. And you cannot.
So that one, okay, this one is gold certified platinum, not platinum, gold certified plate for me, and this one is platinum, this one is diamond. So diamond is when you sell 10 million copies, I guess. No, 10 million, I think. Anyway, so basically it's when you sell millions of copies, but you get this beautiful, nice plates. Plaque. We call it plaque, and that one is every other one. Parents dream to see their kids, get successful in their life. We don't have a music industry back in my country, so you won't see any singers or artists living their life of doing music. My parents, they grew up in a society where they saw life of people getting a government job,
civil servant, becoming a civil servant and leading their life, and that's their point of view, isn't it? So with that notion in their mind, when I said that I wanted to pursue music, they was like, are you sure? because if you look around yourself, no one is like successful, I mean, like living their life by doing music, you see. So like they were quite worried. Obviously we are not like financially stable. I mean, stable in the sense like we don't have, I mean, like to come here is very expensive, isn't it? So it's basically like 3 years of my parents' salary. So it's a lot here. And on top of that, so my brother, he's like studying in private college. So you see now my mom and my parents, they have to like fund him as well. So he's in private college. It was like a very constant, thing that you have to do, because like my mom, even when I got here, she was like, do you want to come back to Bhutan? And just like, you see, I mean, like, yeah. But then, yeah, I mean, like, it was, like I said, it was my sister. So she was like, why don't you just go and just do it. And she said that I'll support you. And yeah, she, everything, all I have is because of her. I mean, like for now here. But now it's like every time we, talk on the phone, so she really, she's got a good sense of humor. But yeah, she sometimes like, yeah, just let me know if you want to come back here. But I mean, like she makes fun of this now. But yeah. This is from like a book from Jack Canfield, from To Get Where so that's that. How to get where to want, how to get from where you want to, and how to get from where you are to where you want to be. That's it, I think. Yeah, I forgot the title, but the author is Jack Canfield. It's like how to get from where you. I mean, like there's a lot there's lots of pressure. I mean, like because now you have. I mean, like for me, I've started to take this journey, as a full-time artist. I mean, like hip hop artist. I mean, like and now I've like it's like you have to raise yourself. I mean, like you have to feed yourself every day, isn't it? If you want to survive, and so you have to find something. I mean, like any jobs that you can do to, financially support yourself. And the other would be like, when you're doing music, it's like sometimes you feel like you can make it. Sometimes you get this very strong urge of feeling that, oh, this song will make me millionaire. Then sometimes you feel like, oh, damn, what am I doing? It's like, like I said, it's a roller coaster emotions. This is my mic. This is my life savior, man.
Why do you put socks there?
So to minimize the pops. Yeah. So if I don't keep the socks here, so when I place my mic here, there's a high chance that it might capture the pops as well. So it's like mostly the P and P's and B's and T's. Yeah, I want to become
Tense. You see.
Hip hop artist, the greatest. Yeah, I want to be the greatest. I mean, like I want to be the greatest in everything that I do. I want to be the rapper. I want to produce. I want to be a producer. I want to be a writer. I mean, like I have so many things, but I want to go back there and like contribute to the music scenario over there, because no one can really earn like. Even if they do, it's like very minimum. Last with them for like a month or two, like I said. So I want to go there and like give them that you can live your life by doing music. And on top of that, YouTube, you cannot monetize your song thing, because the YouTube, they don't have Bhutan in their region selection. You see how backward we are, isn't it? So if you become someone here, then they would obviously know that I'm from Bhutan. And basically it's like, so people might try to, now understand more about Bhutan, and give more, accessibility to Buddhist people who want to, become a YouTuber, musician, or like TikToker, everything, because it's a very, very long process, even if you make money. Basically, it's like putting Bhutan on the map to let the world know that, I'm from Bhutan, and so it's like, so the responsibility is kind of big though, because whatever we do here, so we have to be very cautious, because we are representing our country, isn't it? So if we mess up, then the next what do you say now? The people who are the Buddhists who wants to come here, so they might get some bad impression. So we have to try as hard as possible to give you guys a good impression here, so that it does not hamper them as well. So basically, it's like making a way while you're walking on that as well.
It's just like a patty inside a bond, thinking every day that I get to live, it's a new one. Mine said, though I don't ever button to press, sincerely showing my middle finger to stress. Keep the flow, go get it. That's the flow, don't lose it. Okay. Yeah.
So do you want to go big or go home? Like I said, I want to go big and go home, because I want to become so big that when I go home, so everyone wants like, the big man is coming. Yeah.
Same shit, different day in a new place. Looting, killing, and staying on the studio decks. Keeping my flow on the go, I'm trying to float. Or else it's kinda cold, hoodie and a thick coat. Spend 10 squids on Americano from Tesco. Writing down the shopping list in my memo. Or taking a walk in the park and the mood is kinda mellow. Came all alone to cut it from hits, bro. Dancing in the rain, it ain't my thing. Putting my pain aside for a while, I rewrite everything. Life is teaching me lessons, what the million. Shit cool.